Welcome back to the channel. This week is going to be absolutely insane and game-changing for the crypto industry. Before we will move on to the charts, let's have a look on our daily news. Trump just bought 10 million worth of Bitcoin and 10 million worth of Ethereum just a day before the White House Crypto Summit. As you already know, tomorrow, March 7th, there is scheduled the first ever White House Crypto Summit. And in this summit, there is expected to introduce the US Strategic Crypto Reserve. And the reserve maybe will be aimed to include major crypto exchange cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and as well as alternate altcoins like XRP, Solana, Cardano, and who knows what else. Of course, if it will happen, this will be absolutely game changing for the crypto industry. Mike Saylor hints the USA will buy $1 million of crypto reserves, and this is reality, and this is really happening in our reality. Okay, let's get back to the charts and let's find out if we have any possibilities on the charts right now. So let's start analyzing Bitcoin from the weekly time frame. So what we are seeing right now, we can see that clearly there is some people talking about, and I would like to also share this to you. We have bearish, we had bearish divergence and exactly same kind of movement a few years ago in 2021. Okay, and same kind of, like, this is most likely, and this is what is happening right now, and the chart patterns look like each other. We also have the same pattern over here. This is also the bearish divergence. So last time when we saw on the larger time frames, when we saw this pattern, we saw a dump of 77%. But of course, in this case, we shouldn't expect 77% dump because crypto is more stable comparing to the 2021, and more investors are here. So if the historical price will be repeated, then we will see the price movement to go down, but I think it will be around 30 to 30%, since we already talked about this level earlier. So in the worst case scenario, we will go as low as $55,000, but we have very strong support and demand zone over here at $72, and I think this level will be holding our current price. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame we can have a we already discussed about it in our last video, that if price, like we are talking about the swing failure pattern over here, and the price didn't break this swing failure pattern yet, but as you can see, we are having the rejection of this resistance level over here around $92,000. So so yeah, this is the reality right now. So I'm expecting, of course, the news will play the critical role in this movement, and the most probably we will see tomorrow what will happen. If we saw that in the bullish case scenario, price will break this resistance level, we have no any strong resistance until all-time high level. So that's one case scenario, and another case scenario is that, which is pretty much happening right now because volume is not coming here. Okay, the only news can change this narrative and this pullback right now. So the another bearish case scenario, which we expected earlier, is that we will go all the way down from this resistance level to the support level we are talking about, and that's going to be a huge accumulation zone, and that's going to be like my biggest entry position level as well. Yeah, so but before we will see this movement, we have some critical and very important levels to consider. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, so it will be more visible for on a shorter time frame. So we have the first support level over here, actually over here, yeah, since it was this was the resistance level here previously, and right now we have a support level over here. Okay, let's do like that, so it will be more visible for you. Okay, so this is our first support level. As you can see, this level is already like making some actions, and we have to like if we are expecting for the pullback, and if you're if you're targeting to open long position for this setup, then you have to consider first level over here. If it is possible that we will make pullback from this level, or another option is that we will go all the way to the $87,000 price zone, and then we will see all the way back pullback like this. Yes, exactly, that's what I'm expecting to happen for the shorter time frame. So if we saw the bounce back and bulls action from this time from these price zones, then the most probably we will see all-time high again. But if we saw that price will be breaking down from price will break down the support level of this level, then the only support we will have here will be around $82,000. But again, this will be more probably to more possible to meet $72,000 support zone on our daily time frame. So yeah, but again, you have to take a very close look to the tomorrow's event, and I mean, this event can change everything and anything in the crypto. So technical analysis is one thing, of course, but also news is very important, and especially these kind of events like which is happening tomorrow. Okay, let's have a quick view also to Ethereum charts. As you can see right now, we were discussing about this previously in our previous video. So as you can see right now, we are seeing the rejection of this falling wedge median level. Okay, the price is trying to break, Ethereum price on the short-term time frame is trying to break this median level, but so far we have no signs of breaking this zone. Also, this is going to be very crucial zone for Ethereum. In the case we saw that market will be rejected in this zone, then the most probably we might see the price to fall down all the way to where is that, like 1,600 zone over here, I think. I just over here. So yeah, this is gonna be our first support, and another support we will have is around 1,200 zone, which is gonna be another very strong demand zone for mid and longer term perspectives. So yeah, let's see what will happen to on the tomorrow's at the tomorrow's crypto summit, and yeah, I suggest you to trade with the cautious and just see how Ethereum price will react on this resistance level. Okay, let's have a look to our trending coin Ondo, which we were discussing yesterday. We already recorded the video, so if you didn't see the previous video about Ondo, make sure to check that out. Okay, so Ondo is trading also in this falling wedge, and we are seeing clearly that price already reached our falling wedge channel resistance level, and from now we are expecting yeah, actually just we have to wait from this level and see if market will break the level of this resistance, or we will see the pullback and we will see more lower price movements. Yeah, just I'm still waiting for Ondo. That's what I wanted to say. I have no open position on Ondo right now, just I'm holding some Ondos on my spot, but for the future futures trading, I'm just still waiting for confirmations. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe our channel because more trading analyses are coming.